These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, December 19th, 2024. I'm Rob Dunwood. Reuters reports that Apple is in talks with Tencent and ByteDance to integrate their artificial intelligence models into iPhones sold in China. Apple rolled out OpenAI's ChatGPT integration with Siri earlier this month, but ChatGPT is not available in China, forcing Apple to seek local partners for its AI features at a time when its market share in the country is declining. Talks with Tencent and ByteDance are in the very early stages. However, the information reported earlier this month that Apple and Baidu have also been in talks, but the discussions face setbacks due to technical issues, including disputes over using iPhone user data to train AI models. Microsoft is expanding its live translation capabilities into Intel and AMD-based Copilot Plus PCs. Windows 11 insiders in the dev channel can enjoy real-time English subtitles for audio content in over 44 languages. Initially available on Qualcomm-powered devices, this feature works seamlessly with various audio sources, including YouTube videos, live video conferences, and recordings. Simply play the audio on your Copilot Plus PC, and Windows 11 will automatically generate English captions in real time. Amazon Web Services has committed an additional $10 billion to Ohio, bringing the total investment in the state to nearly $24 billion by 2030. The investment plans will fund new data centers containing computer servers, storage drives, networking equipment, and other forms of technology infrastructure used to power cloud computing, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. In June 2023, AWS said it would invest $7.8 billion by the end of 2029 to expand its data center operations in central Ohio. That was on top of $6 billion already invested through 2022. This new investment brings AWS's total commitment in Ohio to $23.8 billion by 2030. DJI, the world's largest drone maker, could automatically be banned in the United States in 1 year unless the Chinese-based company can convince an appropriate national security agency to publicly declare that its products do not pose an unacceptable risk to the national security of the United States. The National Defense Authorization Act sets a 1-year timer, instructing the FCC to add DJI's gear to its covered list under the Secure and Trusted Communication Networks Act. Not only does this list keep that gear from running on U.S. networks, but it also bars the FCC from authorizing their internal radios for use in the U.S., effectively blocking all imports. For the 10th day of shipments, OpenAI started allowing users to call ChatGPT over WhatsApp for up to 15 minutes per month using 1-800-ChatGPT for free. The phone number is built using OpenAI's real-time API, and the WhatsApp feature is powered by GPT-4o Mini through an integration with the WhatsApp API. OpenAI sees this feature as an important stepping stone for newcomers to AI, since the service represents a simplified version of ChatGPT compared to its web-based counterpart and offers a low-cost way to try it out through familiar channels. Instagram is teasing a new generative AI editing feature that will allow users to, quote, change nearly any aspect of your videos, end quote. Instagram head Adam Mosseri says the new tech, slated to come out next year, uses Meta's Movie Gen AI model to provide creators with more tools to help transform their content and bring their ideas to life without extensive video editing or manipulation skills, utilizing a simple text prompt to make adjustments. Meta hasn't announced when Movie Gen will be available, but Instagram is the first platform the company has confirmed will utilize the text-to-video model. Bloomberg News is reporting that Tesla is courting multiple Texas cities, including Austin, to test its long-promised robotaxi service. A Tesla employee has apparently been in touch with Austin officials since May and recently held an event in December to train first responders on how to best work with Tesla's autonomous vehicle technology. The employee told the city that, quote, Austin is obviously on our roadmap, but has not yet been decided where we will deploy first, as we have many options available, end quote. The U.S. Cybersecurity Agency issued an advisory Wednesday urging senior politicians and high-ranking officials to lock down their devices amid the ongoing Chinese breaches of at least 8 major telecom providers. CISA said that the highly targeted officials, including those in government, should enable advanced security features such as Apple's lockdown mode, which limits the functionality on iPhones to limit the phone's overall attack surface. The agency also recommends that officials switch to end-to-end encrypted messaging apps like Signal. And finally, SanDisk, the flash memory company currently owned by Western Digital and spells its name with a capital S and capital D in the logo, is rebranding and now spells SanDisk with all capital letters. The rebranding of the logo, which has been used since 1995, comes ahead of a spinoff from Western Digital planned for next year. We should note that SanDisk is also using new branding with just a capital S. It looks like the company wants to make sure it has all of its bases covered. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.